Well, the work is almost complete now here in Hall 5. The show is coming together, and I thought perhaps you might like a quick sneak preview of what the show looks like. So I'm going to take you a little wander about so you can see all the goodies that are here at this show this March. Start here with the BRMs, always a popular stand, and they're putting on a lovely display this year. And as ever, of course, we have beside them Tomcats, the Rover R8 coupes, and we can see a nice variety of colours here, with of course the ever popular Nightfire Red. Over here we have the 200 400s. Sadly, our friend John Batchelor won't be here this weekend. He's taken ill with COVID. Wish him well, but nonetheless the stand is here, and the rest of the team will be here, so you can have a look at their cars. Also have a Streetwise here, and let's just have a little wander around. You see something of interest around this corner over here. Those of you who come here for Rover 800s will have spotted this Sterling, supplied by someone we know, Alex Sebinger, and this is a very nice Mark 1 small bumper, of course, Rover Sterling on a D plate, and as was the vogue at the time, the dual tone paintwork, silver over gunmetal grey. Lovely car. Not on the Rover 800 stand, but it is on Alex's Modern Classic Executive Cars group, and he has a variety of other cars here. Let me take you around here so you can see other cars at the show this year, and I promise I will wind my way back towards the Rover 800 stand so you can see the best stand of all. We have some Renaults, I believe. Sorry, that's a Citroen, I beg your pardon. That's a Citroen Ami and a Citroen 2CV. And what is this? I have no idea. Don't ask me, I know nothing about 2CVs. But here's something I do know something about, which is a Talbot Matra Rancho. An SUV before SUVs were a thing. Very rare car. I only ever see them here at the NEC, but it was quite a car in its day back in the 1980s. Apparently not much fun to drive, but always seemed like a really fun car. Minis galore. You would expect to see minis. Always plenty of minis at this show. You're seeing people around about in high-vis vests. That's because we're still in build mode here, and still work is going on. The show is mostly all together now, but lots of people still wandering about in high-vis jackets, and some vehicles still moving. Here's the star of the show, of course. This is the Rover 800 stand, and we have our lovely Mark 1 827 here. It's an 827 SI fastback, but rather unusually for an SI, it has, from new, leather upholstery. Lovely car, owned by Jeremy. If you fancy being the owner of a car like this, then come and have a chat with Jeremy. He just might be interested in selling it to you. Hint, hint. Beside that, we have the Rover 623 IS, SIS, not SI, it's an IS, owned by David Tomlinson. Lovely car, and a great story behind it. He acquired this car for peanuts, and he is bringing it back to the road very soon, we hope, but preferably without these wheels. Or do you think differently? Tell us in the comments. Maybe you like them. Definitely not standard Rover wheels, but David wants to get rid of them, and he may even be willing to sell them to someone. Over here, hard at work, wearing his high-vis is Mr. Hugh O'Neill, polishing his car. This is his lovely KV6, 2.5 litre Rover KV6, and it is a Sterling fastback. And he's getting it all spick and span ready for show open tomorrow. I want to draw your attention to this car over here, brought in by someone we all know, Maria Gray. This is her lovely little Rover 211. It's the 1100, not the 1.4, I understand. And it's on the V plate, and it's a Rover R3, Rover 211. What a lovely little car. Needs a bit of work, I think we could say that. I think that's that's a fair comment. A particular note is the air conditioning, air conditioning in the roof, and it has dual vents. Also, some more air conditioning there, as you can see. But has plenty of potential to be a lovely car, I'm sure. Lots of other interesting things here. Our neighbouring stand is this Frisky stand. I'm not going to profess to know anything about Friskies. I don't know anything about them at all, but come to the show and you'll learn all about them. This one looks like it's, I don't know, four-wheel drive version? Who knows? I don't think so. Over here, of more interest to those of us fascinated by all things MG Rover, we have a lovely Tickford Turbo being polished by the owner. And this car, I think probably most people know this car, BVAT, owned by our very own Tanya Field. And yes, it does have Digidash, and yes, it does talk. Lovely car. And all sorts of other things here. Oh, look at MG Metro. I want it, I want it, I want it. But no. It's the later version, the Mark II, the MG Metro. Gorgeous little car. Always thought they were so pretty. All sorts of other things here. We have, is that a Humber? I think it might be a Humber Sceptre. And Vauxhalls and Mercedes. And let's walk you over here and we'll see the Maestro Montegos. I'm sure that'll be of interest to some of you. So here we have, coming into view, a Vanden Plas on a C-plate. It's an Austin Maestro Vanden Plas. And the all-important question is, does it have an electronic dash? Oh no, it doesn't. Just the basic analog dash, but it has the lovely leather seats and the wood trims. And what a lovely looking car it is. It's the Austin Maestro Vanden Plas. And beside it, its commercial cousin, back here at the show again, is this car, the Maestro van, and beside it another Maestro van. And lurking in the background is a Montego, a later Montego, with the Rover-esque badge. And this one is an estate car. What would we call it today? Probably a traveller or a tour or something like that. But back in those days, it was just the Montego estate. Good, honest work car. Lovely piece of machinery. Before I leave you, I'm going to just take you over here. This is merely a snapshot, you understand, and just to give you a taste of what's at the show, to encourage you to come down and see us. What do we have here? A Wolseley. But these are of interest. These are Land Rovers, early Land Rover discoveries. 3-door, multi-point injection with the early face, and of course the later car, the little Freelander, very popular car. All sorts of wonderful things here at this show, folks. Come down to the show, have a look. We are, where are we? So you can find us easily. We are in Hall 5. And we are very close to Sporting Bears is over there in the corner, and the Practical Classics live show is happening over opposite us as well. So come down and see us. The show opens tomorrow morning. I think it opens at 10 a.m. tomorrow morning, Friday. It's open Friday, Saturday and Sunday, and we're going to be here the whole weekend. If you tag Tanya in the Facebook group, she may well be able to organise some tickets for you, possibly at a discount, who knows. Ask her nicely and she might be able to do something for you. Come along to the show, come and visit us, and let's talk about all things Rover. I'll end by looking at this Peugeot, but I have to say, quickly winning my heart is this very honest little Rover R3. See you all soon, here at Hall 5 in the NEC.